So if you're trying a shopping cart trick and it's not working for you, not getting a pop-up, that means that you may not be in their system. So when I say you may not be you're in their system, then you may want to make sure that you fill out that factor trust form again. And that should be on any of my shopping cart trick videos. You may want to fill out that form again, and you may want to do the pre-screen opt-out form again. And you want to probably call, like you can call Factor Trust. Make sure that they have your correct information, because when I called them, they used an address that was like 4 or 5 years old. Well, more than 4 or 5 years. Well, at that time, now it's longer, but that address is like 4 to 5 years old. So it's no way that I was going to be able to do the shopping cart trick with my new address. So I want you guys to call them, and then they'll tell you exactly what they're going to need from you so that you can go ahead and update your address. So that may be a big problem on why you're not getting that shopping cart trick to work and why you're not getting a pop-up. Make sure that you are allowing pop-ups on your computer. I was not allowing pop-ups before on my computer, and I was wondering why I'm not getting, like, why is nothing happening? Like, the shopping cart trick's supposed to work, but I haven't done a shopping cart trick in so long because I actually hired somebody to help you guys with that. So when I finally want to do it on my computer because I wanted to make a video, it wasn't working, and I looked, I was like, oh my gosh. I forgot to allow the pop-ups again because I don't want to just allow pop-ups on my computer. But make sure you're allowing pop-ups on your computer. And on top of allowing pop-ups, you guys, sometimes you may have to clear your cookies. Sometimes you may not have to clear your cookies. But if this is too much with the pop-ups, clearing cookies, let me know, because if you want me to go live and just do the shopping cart trick for some people, I can do it live with you guys. I did that when I first started. I can start back doing that for you guys, probably just like 3 or 4 people, but I'll show you exactly what you need to do again so you can like go all the way through so that you can make sure you're doing correctly. And if you guys want me to try the shopping cart trick for you, it's free. If you want me to try, you know, I don't know how long it's going to take for us to actually get it done. I always tell people allow up to 2 weeks if you're doing a free method, but you have an option to expedite it, but there is a charge for that. And usually expedited, you'll get the results in 24 to 48 hours. But you can try that for free. Go ahead and look down in the description, and we can try to do the shopping cart trick for you. Now, the other question that they have is, what other options besides the traditional route to apply for a credit card? Well, I heard a lot of people are getting approved with the Apple credit card trick. I'm actually going to try to do that for you guys and see if I can get the pop-up to show you guys exactly how to do that. So definitely look that up, the Apple credit card trick. You guys can definitely try that. But usually, to get credit cards, I always tell you guys, go the traditional route and let your credit vouch for you on why you should get that credit card. So, you know, a shopping cart trick was for people that, you know, they needed to really get a secure credit card, but they didn't have the money for it. That's what I wanted it for. You need to get a secure credit card. You don't really have the money for it, but if you do this trick, they'll give you, you know, a $300,000 or $500,000 credit card. That's what it was for at first. And then everybody like, I just want a lot of credit cards. So then they started getting more credit cards. So try to just build your credit up if this not working so that you can just go ahead and, you know, get a credit card the regular route, the traditional route.